welcome to craft with us. It's cooking week and we're going to be making ice cream in a bag today. So what you're going to need is a big baggie and a smaller baggie that'll fit into that, measuring cups and spoons, some sugar, vanilla extract, some whipping cream, some half and half cream, salt, and ice. And then you close that up. Seal it good and tight, and put that off to the side. Next, you're going to take your bigger baggie and put a half cup of salt and fill it with ice. And then you're going to put your smaller baggie inside your bigger baggie, seal it up, and shake it. So this process works similar to how the inside of an ice cream machine does. So the salt keeps the ice cold enough that it doesn't melt during those 5 to 10 minutes, and you're shaking it to combine all your ingredients to make ice cream. After you've shook it for 5 to 10 minutes, you take the baggie out. And enjoy your ice cream. Don't forget to join us live on Facebook this Friday at 2 p.m. We're going to be making chocolate slime. Thanks for watching!